Audience counter. Yeah, but it doesn't tell me, there's no data for it yet. There's no data yet, Andrew. So we've hit 4,000. Yay. So that, well done, well done. Thank you. Wow. We've hit 4,000 views on my channel today. Thank you so much. Oh my God. OMG. That is so fantastic. I guess you really like it. Wait for it to itemize. Itemize. 4,000 views today and 68 likes. Come on guys, press the thumbs up. 4,000 and only 68 likes. How does that work? How does YouTube do the maths and the algorithm? How the algorithm work? How does the algorithm work where this is concerned? Because you can think of someone who has like 1 million views and 1 million subscribers, but they don't get that amount of like because not everybody go in and like the and like the all format. It's not for the house. You mean it's not for the house? Mr. Skillman or Miss Skillman, or let me say J.A. Young Skillman. What do you mean it's not for the house? I don't understand. So I love my hat, but I can just sit back here now and relax and enjoy. You wanna go to the front and chill out? Let me move the fan over there, and then we can sit down. I can show you my living room in the sunshine, and we sit down and we look right outside. Come, sit down and we look right outside. Let's cover this so no flies get over my thing. I'm gonna bring the fan over there. And this is my chill room. Let me bring the fan over to the chill room. Yeah, we're from on in, we can't sit down now. Working from morning, so I can sit down now. It's gonna blow some hot air. Alright, let's go over to the chill room and chill out a bit. I need to chill a bit. I need to sit down and chill out a bit. Right, let me show you my grandmother. So there's my dad with Alicia. See him? That's my father. Rasta man. This is my little baby, my little pumpkin. You see? This is my little pumpkin. And then there she is with auntie, my grandmother. So, and that hat was my hat, you know. But my granny take it. We leave it down here and she take it. She used to just take everything. Look at my daughter. We have so much picture of Alicia. I could just bite her chin now. Love her, love her, love her.